Hi guys, I'm happy to see you again, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can start making money and earn hundreds of dollars with YouTube without recording any videos. Watch this video till the end because I'm gonna be revealing you some tricks that you won't find anywhere else. First, I'll be showing you some of successful channels that use exactly the same method to make thousands of dollars a week. And then I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do it too. Now, if you're really serious about making money online, then do me a quick favor right now. Tap that like button, make sure you subscribe, and turn that little notification bell too, because I release daily videos on this channel on how to make money online and how to make money on YouTube as well. So my first example is pets compilation videos. Why I'm choosing pets over other niches? Well, mainly because it's evergreen content. Everyone loves pets. You could go for mixed pets compilation channel or maybe focus on cats, dogs, parrots, or something else. Compilation videos are very popular and entertaining, and as you can see, this video was posted just 2 days ago and it already has 26,000 views. If this channel or if this person is getting only $2 per 1,000 views, it's 26,000 views divided by 1,000 times $2 per 1,000 views. It would be $52 so far in 2 days. Let's see his channel a little bit in depth. I'll just go to his channel. I'm gonna copy this URL as well for later, and let's go for videos. And let's sort them based on most popular. And look, his most popular video has 12 million views, and another one 12 million views, and 8 million views. And okay, let's go in depth for this channel. If we go to Social Blade and we copy his channel URL, we can find that he has 684 uploads, 367,000 subscribers, 200 million views in a lifetime. And let's check his history. And he seriously started uploading in, October 2016. So a little bit over 2 years. Let's go back on his video for a second. Let's open this video and let's see how many ads. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ads. This video is showing 6 ads. I would say he's probably making between $2 and $4 per 1,000 views. And if that is scenario, let's go to estimate. Let's make it $1 to $3. And how many daily views he averages? Daily views average 450,000 views. Look at this. If he averages $1 to $3 a day, his estimated daily earnings are around $450 to $1,350 a day. His monthly earnings are up to $40,000. That's what I'm talking about. Look guys, this is legit way to make money online. Now, there are a few gray zone questions that we're gonna go through later. But before that, I wanna show you the next thing I choose for today. Next are computer games, or actually any currently trading topic. Right now it's Fortnite. Prestige clips, and look, that's an advertising already. Let's check how many ads we're gonna see, and look, only 2 more ads. But this is a compilation video. It has 9,300,000 views, and this channel is big. Also, I found one really interesting channel, which is Daily Hearthstone Moments. This channel in particular, I found it really, it's related on one game, and basically this channel is averaging up to 100,000 views on someone playing a Hearthstone game, and it's amazing. This person is most probably recording himself playing Hearthstone, having good time and making quite a bit of money. Because if we let's copy his channel and let's see how many views exactly he's getting. Let's see, 1,015 uploads, 150 subscribers, 150,000 subscribers, and 111 million views. This person at the moment is averaging 90,000 views, and let's put it into calculator. 90,000 views times 3 divided by 1,000 is $270 a day. So if you ask me, I would say he's making up to $270 a day every single day, and that's above $100 a day where we set our goal. Let's go back to Fortnite. Let's see this one. I got bullied for being default in Playground 4. Okay. 8 million views, 200,000 subscribers. Let's check this channel, Swift. Videos. And as you can see, all these videos are Fortnite related videos. Look, 3 weeks ago, This video went viral, 4.8 million views. Oh my god. And it's like what? 1, 2, 3, 4 ads are showing in this video, which lasts 11.5 minutes. And let's just copy his channel URL quickly. And let's see his other stats. And wow, look at this. He averages 600,000 views a day. 600,000 views a day divided by 1,000. Let's say he makes only $2.50, or let's say he makes $2. It's a $1,200 a day. Okay, let's go to another one. And this is a really hot topic. It's related to humans. It's like winning, fail, and road rage compilations. So if you see this Like a Boss compilation number 58, Amazing People 2019, is uploaded like what, 4 days ago, no, 3 days ago, and it has 150,000 views. So as you see, this is a way these people get away with these type of videos. So they say, if you're not satisfied with the video that appears, I guess, inside this compilation, please contact me. And there's a, I guess, contact form. Let's see how he sorted it. No, oh my god. Okay, this is how not to do it. Honestly, there should be linked to the Google form to form a complaint, so he can remove some uncopyrighted content or content that someone doesn't want to see in the video. So this is really not how not to do it. Okay, let's go to another example. I'm not sure if this channel has an advertisements from a Google, but this is a way to do it. And this is the best example I've seen. And this guy actually created a custom website. Let me show you. He created a custom website called failarmy.com. And if you scroll here, you can see he uses this. This is amazing. They even have a Fail Army application that is available on both iOS and Android devices. Also, you can sign up for a newsletter, and you can submit your video and get into like a sort of, and get a chance to win $1,000. Let's go back, and I want to talk a little bit about this video in particular. This is a road rage video, and actually I love watching road rage videos, mainly because it reminds me of my father. And I probably shouldn't say this, but he's crazy and gets into trouble on the road and comes out of a car and do crazy things. But you know, I guess that's his thing. But anyway, so what's so great about this here video in particular is it has over 20 something advertising ads showing on this particular video, and basically this video makes a lot of money to whoever is uploader. And craziest of all, I checked, this video is submitted under the Creative Commons, so we could theoretically strip this video down and recreate content from this video, publish it as our own, make money of it. So this video is also posted just before the new year, and it already made 500,000 views. And look how this person got away or get around the potential copyright issues. Basically, this is disclaimer, and these disclaimers gives this person security, at the same time gives YouTube proof that he wants to comply with the new YouTube rules. Basically, he asks you to submit the video if you want over email. And now, last thing I prepared for you is this video. Why I choose this video is, this is a new channel, 21st of November 2018, and it's still not monetized. And I guess that this person created one great highlight, which is 4 minutes of one punch walk-off knockouts. And at the beginning of the video, he created a disclaimer: this video does not promote violence. Video promotes sports of mixed martial arts, MMA. It grew 4,000 subscribers in no time, definitely reach over 4,000 hours that are necessary to get approved for YouTube partner program. I believe this person is now waiting to get approved. Once he's approved, he's gonna start posting more related videos and start making some serious money, because after watching his first video, he definitely knows what he's doing. And this is ideal way you would do it. If you're gonna do, remember this URL, see what this person did, choose your topic, choose your niche, and do the same things. And finally, you are going to ask me, how can I find this great, funny, and entertaining content for free that I can legally use for my videos without breaking any copyright rule? Well, there are a few ways around it. So what I would do initially, I would risk a little bit more. Go to youtube.com, and I would search for, let's say, fail compilation 2018, and then just use this filter select the Creative Commons. All of these videos are posted under Creative Commons, which means that you can strip them down and re-upload them, and theoretically that should work. But based on new rules that YouTube applied just recently, end of October I believe, you can't do it anymore. Anyway, you can strip these videos and use to create your own content. How to download? It's actually very simple. There are a few ways, but I'm gonna show you the simplest one. Copy video URL, go to google.com and write down YouTube downloader. There will be a website called onlinevideoconverter.com. Here you copy your URL, click start. Once it's ready, just click download. Once you download videos you want to use in your first video, you need to find an editing software. At the moment I'm using Camtasia. It's a very simple video editor tool. At the moment they're offering 30 days free trial, and to download it just go to camtasia.com. It will redirect to their download page, where if you go for free trial it will allow you 30 days free trial. If you want to support this channel, use my referral link that you can find down below in description, but it's fully up to you. Once you download this video editing software, all you have to do is change the sequence of the video or mix a couple of videos together into a couple of different videos, publish it on your channel, and you're good to go. One last thing that you don't want to forget is that you have to set up a website that will be something similar to failarmy.com. Set up some simple website, connect it to your YouTube channel, and allow your visitors of your videos to submit a video using that website, giving their name, last name, email, and phone number. And also make some sort of checkboxes that they have to agree with the terms of service and terms of submission. And that way you will be on the right side of the law, and eventually you can expand into something bigger, just like this Fail Army channel is at the moment. 14 million followers if I'm right, and their custom applications as well as their shop. Here you have it guys. This is exactly what I would do if I'm about to start my compilation YouTube channel. And guys, if you like this video, if this video is useful to you, please smash that like, comment below, and share with your friends and family. I would really appreciate it, because I spend a lot of time and I put a lot of effort into creation of these videos and into research of all these methods for you guys. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm open book, keen to help you. Cheers, I'll see you again.